Good afternoon, everyone. Our group is made up of Daniela Barrientos, Navarro, Jurgeen Quesada, and myself, Daniel Fernández. Today, we will talk a little bit about our product Eco-Goblin. Do you want to know a little more about environmental education? We will explain a little about the problem to solve, how it works, audience, cost of the application, and why it is different from other apps. Then I will live with my partner Jurgen.
Problem to solve. Eco-Goblin arises as a result of mitigating and reducing the lack of environmental education in the communities, which causes great problems to the environment. And it is also intended that through Eco-Goblin can awaken the interest of the population in environmental issues, properly informing people, providing them with recycling techniques, waste management, and non-valuable material. It is also intended to raise awareness about the pollution that exists in rivers, forests, beaches, and other environmental spaces, mainly due to improper handling of plastic.
Okay, let's talk about the app. Eco-Goblin is an application for cell phones, computers, or tablets, which can be obtained from App Store or Play Store. To log in, you must create an user, and you have to specify the community that you belong in order to store your data and your progress. Once created the user, the app has several topics or tips about recycling. And if you have any specific question, you have the help button in which one of the users of the collection center will help you. In addition to recycling, it also promotes the competitiveness of users. The app will be linked with the collection center, where data on the quantity and the quality will be taken to recognize those people who recycle the most waste in the best way. The idea is that people commit to recycling properly and take the waste once a month to the collection center and start your performance there.
Talk about the audience. This platform is really very friendly and anyone, children, youth, and adults can use it. Only that want to implement recycling in your home. Besides, the same application incorporates interactive activities for the smallest of the home to instill the mentality of recycling from small, so that once they are adults continue with the same mentality and promote it in their nuclear family. The cost, the application will cost $7 per month, so that it is accessible to the whole family and works like any other platform. For example, a single account will be able to access 3 mobile devices as long as they are within the family nucleus. With this amount, it is possible to cover the creation and maintenance of the platform, as well as the cost of training the staff of the collection centers. This cost will be only for the first year, and we will try to reduce the cost of the app by means of linkage with different companies, sponsorships, and advertisements that will appear in the application at the moment of using it, with the purpose of making the app accessible and why not uh, free in the not too distant future.
So why is it different? We know that there are many apps on the internet that you can find for any device that help you recycle and that gives you an idea of where you should put things or how to dispose of things. But we feel that the main problem with this is that a lot of people need an extra motivation to actually recycle something else. And our app offers so much more than just the guidelines of how to recycle. For example, it is very competitive. So a lot of people are going to find it really interesting that you can see how you are doing and how other people are doing. And when you feel rewarded for recycling, then that motivates you to do it. And it's especially crucial this for kids because kids who we think are the people we should convince them or are harder to convince to recycle because they're just learning about it. They like to compete a lot and they like to feel rewarded when they do something. So this helps in that sense. It's also a lot of fun. You can do it with your friends. You can do it with your family. You can set goals or just a challenge between your friends or your family or any people you know. And that way, it's also very interactive, as we said. It's very easy to use, and a lot of people are going to find it really interesting and different than what other apps are offering. And that would be our presentation. Thanks.